Hello everybody. Question 24. Johnny has an empty box and he put some counters red and blue. We have the ratio is 1 to 4 and then we have in total 5 counters, 1 red and 4 blue. Linda takes random 2 counters from the box. The probability to take 2 reds, the counter is 6 over 155. How many red counters did John put into the box? The red probability is 1 over 5 and the blue is 4 over 5. Be focused now because I want to write the blue probability, but we don't need it, it's 4 over 5. Just we need to, when she takes 2 red counters and then the next time try to get 1 is x minus 1 and 5x minus 1. Why? Because we have had 1 before and then she have 1 less. This is the reason you need to put minus 1 and then 1 over 5, x minus 1 over 5, x minus 1 equal 60 over 155 because this is the total probability, and then you can calculate the x is the total red counters you can get or you have in your box. And then 125 over 5 is equal 25. You got 25 counters in the box. Thank you for watching.